And now we wait. We wait and we wait and wait. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview, and today I have another recipe for you. I am making for you guys a vegan macaroni and cheese with bacon. So for those of you that are new, welcome to the channel. Go hit that subscribe button real quick. Go ahead, I'll wait for you. Okay, so thank you for that, and let's get started for this cheesy, gooey, vegan bacon mac and cheese. Woo, excited. Okay guys, I'm not gonna show you how to boil water. Basically, it's easy peasy. So get your water up to boil, throw in your elbow pasta. I used one box, which is about a pound. So that's doing its thing and boiling. And in the meantime, we're gonna get our cheese sauce ready. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so you're gonna get your stove to medium heat here. Get your nice sauce pot. And we're going to add a quarter cup of canola oil. Okay, we're gonna stir in the flour. Just stir it in. We're gonna make like a roux. It's a quarter cup of flour. That nice and mixed here, those flour pieces. Get them all mixed up in here. Okay, so once that's all mixed up, we're gonna add 2 cups of soy milk. So we're gonna bring this to a boil here. Okay, so once it starts bubbling here, so you know it's like starting to boil, let's add a little bit of salt and our pepper. It's a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of garlic, and a teaspoon of onion powder. So I just mixed everything up in here, and we're gonna add all that stuff in here. I lowered the heat a little bit just because it was bubbling. My stove was getting too high here. And now we're gonna add our cheese. We have the cheddar style shreds and we have the pepper jack. I wanted to use both just because. So here we go. Let's do the pepper jack first. Throw that in there. And we're gonna throw in our cheddar. I'm using 2 bags just because I love cheese and I like my mac and cheese cheesy. Cheesy, please. Note to self, use a bigger pot next time. So let this get all nice and melted here. And we're gonna add a little bit of nutritional yeast. You don't have to, but it's just an option, just so it can add like more cheesy flavor. Okay, so now we're gonna add a teaspoon of mustard in there. Get that all mixed in. Now for the best part. You guys ready for this? All right, we're gonna add the bacon, which are bacon flavored bits. They are vegan. So I'm just gonna go and pile on the bacon here. And we're just gonna do the old mix around. You can turn the stove off at this point because we just wanna mix this around here. And then we're gonna pour it over our noodles. And we're just gonna pour this bad boy, this cheesy goodness all over them. There we go. Just gonna add a little bit more bacon. Okay guys, so we have our cheese sauce ready to go, and we have our macaroni ready to be smothered in goodness. So here we go. And don't forget some vegan bacon, which I'm gonna add on the top. I'll show you guys later about that. We got our oven going for 350 there. See that? Okay guys, so let's get the cheesy goodness all over here. Look at that. Oh baby. Cheesy goodness with bacon bits. So scrape all that out. There we go. Oh man, it just smells wonderful in here. Okay guys, so now we just get this all nice and mixed. All this cheesy goodness. Ooh, you could smell those bacon bits in here. Ooh, 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 delish. Okay, and I made extra. I added the 2 bags. You guys don't have to add the extra bags of cheese. I just love it really cheesy. So we have the pepper jack and we have the cheddar. Alrighty, so once that's all mixed up, let's get it all evened out here. And we are gonna go add the panko on the top. There you go, a little bit of panko. So I'm just sprinkling that a little bit here. Okay, and off to the oven it goes. And now we wait. Okay guys, so while that's cooking in there, let's touch on a few things real quick that I've noticed. So if you're gonna make a bigger batch with a lot more cheese, just add some more dairy-free milk on your sauce when it's melting there, just so it can spread evenly. And now we wait. We wait some more. Okay guys, so we're all done here. Look at this goodness. It just smells so cheesy, so bacony. I'm going in for a bite. Here we go. Ooh, that bacon flavor makes it nice and smoky. And the pepper jack cheese adds a little kick to it, which I'm loving this. So guys, if you like a little spice, just a tiny bit, add that pepper jack cheese. You will love it. This Daiya cheese, my favorite. It just melts perfectly. Oh my God. One more bite, guys. One more. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you make this recipe, take a picture of it and tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see your vegan mac and cheese. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!